I hope I can capture this helicopter online. It keep flying around in a fucking circle. I wonder if they're looking for anyone. He keep flying around in a circle. We've been doing this for the last 15 minutes. Make me think he a cop and he looking for something. Now I gotta watch the news to see if they looking for anybody. And he just fly in a complete circle. Is that weird or what? I can't go no further. Now, I don't know why he's doing this. I never seen a helicopter do this before. Now, when I went to Miami a few years ago, I saw the helicopters in the sky and they had the lights and stuff, and they was looking for somebody. I was like, oh shit, they really do shit like that? Because I would see stuff like that on television, but never in real life. But it's the first time I've seen a helicopter just go around in a circle. I don't know if they practicing or they just learning how to drive a helicopter. He gonna come back around. I'm just sitting on the porch, chilling, relaxing, enjoying a cigarette. Oh, he about to come back around. That's another little plane up in the sky, but this is a helicopter coming. Helicopters can only fly so high in the sky. There you go. About to come back around. He been doing this for the last 15 minutes. Just flying around in a circle. Okay, when I post this, can somebody tell me what this means?